A singer was hurt in a hold-up incident in Mandaluyong City this morning. The details from Alvin Baltazar.
A singer of Viva Records was victimized by a hold-upper early this morning in an ATM Metro Bank in Mandaluyong. Victim was identified as Joel Mendoza, who was hit for several times by the suspect using his gun, who eventually took away 20,000 pesos.
Pabalik na ako ng kotse, doon na ako inano nung hold-upper. Ngayon, nakuha na niya, kinuha na niya pera sa bulsa ko eh. Yung wallet ko, dinudukot ko lang para ibibigay ko na sa kanya. Pero pinukpok ako ng pinukpok ng baril. Pinukpok na ako, talagang yung pukpok sa nagdidilim na yung paningin ko, sa tumutulo na yung dugo.
He has suffered minor lacerations na stitch na natin. At the same time, meron siyang hematoma lang na we're just observing pa rin.
20 years old lang yung pangangatawan niya, then payat, tapos medyo matangkad. Pero wala pa akong idea kung, kasi nakuha na kami ng video ng Metro Bank. Para doon lang kami makakuha ng basehan para matapos.
But aside from the lacerations obtained by Mendoza, the dilemma seems to have deteriorated by the slow action of Mandaluyong PNP, according to the victim himself.
Gusto ko lang iparating talaga sa mga namumuno sa kapulisan. Gusto ko naman, buhay na ko yung nakataya dito. 4 na bago ko magresponde sa isang tawag na talaga namang serious crime.
Pinatawag ko nga investigador dito, sabi ko nga medyo sinermo nga bakit it took 2 to 3 hours bago nakapunta ron sa hospital. Meron pala silang pinapalap na kaso rito at andyan din yung mga witnesses.
Mendoza is presently being treated at Victor Potenciano Medical Center and is determined to pursue his case against the suspects who have been already identified by Mandaluyong PNP. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.